ready to keep your chicks warm and toasty without breaking the bank. You'll need a ceramic heat emitter, a brooder box either bought or homemade, a lamp holder, a clamp lamp, a thermostat optional, but highly recommended for temperature control, a thermometer, screws, and basic hand tools like a screwdriver and wire strippers, cutters. Don't forget safety glasses and gloves. First, let's prepare the lamp holder. Carefully attach the ceramic heat emitter to the lamp holder, ensuring it is snug and secure. Next, attach the lamp holder to the clamp lamp. Ensure it is securely screwed in and that all connections are tight. Now, if you're using a thermostat, connect it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Usually, it will involve plugging the lamp into the thermostat. Finally, mount the clamp lamp inside your brooder box. Make sure the lamp is positioned safely, away from the walls and any flammable material. Plug the lamp into a power outlet. Place your thermometer inside the brooder box, several inches away from the heat source. Monitor the temperature for a few hours to make sure it's warm enough for your chicks. Ideally, around 95 degrees Fahrenheit for the first week, reducing gradually. Adjust the height of the lamp to fine-tune the temperature. And that's it. You've built a safe and effective brooder heater, always supervised to ensure safety and the well-being of your chicks.